welcome back to my channel. It's Sabra and I am so excited that you guys are here today. So I am going to be sharing with you guys a little household hack that I've discovered over the past couple of months. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade cleaning wipes. So for me, during the whole COVID, quarantine, lockdown, shutdown, whatever you want to call it, there was definitely a shortage in cleaning supplies, especially Clorox disinfecting wipes. And those are something that I would use often to clean my bathrooms and different spaces in my home. So I wanted to find a way that was, number one, cost effective, and number two, safe and non-toxic for my home. And so I'm going to show you guys a really simple way to make cleaning wipes using a couple of ingredients. So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to use to make these and a little bit of background about each thing and why I even selected these items. So here's an example of what I've actually already made. I like to keep these in the bathroom because those are places where you got to clean up messes pretty quickly. So it's handy to have those ready to go. And my house has 5 bathrooms, so there's a lot of places to clean. So it makes things a little bit easier on me because I don't have to tote around cleaning supplies on all 3 floors. I've got these stationed at each bathroom, which makes it a little bit quicker and a little bit more efficient. So I keep these in all of my bathrooms, and I'm going to show you guys how quick and simple this can be. So the containers I actually get from Amazon. I'll link those below. They come in a 4-pack, and that's great because that takes care of the 5 of my bathrooms. But these come in a 4-pack. They're really great. They seal really nicely, so you don't have to worry about the wipes drying out. So really easy to use. They're also great for other things in your home. And then I just use paper towel roll, which these ones I really like because we're actually going to be cutting this in half to fit it down into that container. But with these, it already has like the halfway mark because these are ones that can split into 4ths. So I really like that. It makes cutting these a little bit easier because I have a guideline. I'm just going to use a sharp knife to cut these in half and to put into my plastic container. And then I also have my Thieves household cleaner. I'm going to use a couple capfuls of that. And then I have a couple of essential oils that I'm going to add in just to have a nice scent that smells clean. So I'm going to use orange as the scent, and then I'm going to add a couple drops of Purification just to help with the disinfectant and so that these don't mold or get kind of gross over time. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys how this is done. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to cut our paper towel roll in half. So I'm going to just use my sharp knife to do this. You can do this over a trash can if you want to help eliminate some mess, especially if it's your first time doing this. You may not really know what to expect as far as that goes, but I'm just going to do it on the counter. It'll be fine. Like, I've done this a time or two, so it should be all right. Okay, so it doesn't have to be perfect because it's not going to matter. You're going to put it in this little plastic container now. And don't worry too much about the actual cardboard piece in there because we're going to actually remove that here in just a little bit. So you're going to drop that down in here. You can take the other half of the roll and put it in another container. But for now, I'm just going to put mine to the side because I just want to show you guys this one. And I didn't make too big of a mess, so that's good. Okay. You're going to put the paper towel roll down into this container. Then you're going to add 2 cups of water. And then in this measuring cup of water, I'm going to add 2 to 3 capfuls of my Thieves household cleaner. I like to add 3 capfuls just to ensure that there's not going to be any mold growth or anything like that. So that's 1, 2, and 3. This Thieves household cleaner is also really great for lots of things around the house. And then I'm going to add in my oils. So I'm actually going to add 2 to 3 drops of Purification. This is just to help keep things fresh longer. 2, 3, okay. And then I'm actually going to add in my orange oil, and this is going to just add a nice clean scent to my wipes. So with this, you can add 10 to 20 drops, just depending on how strong you'd like that fragrance. 1, 2, 3. I'll add 15 of that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the measuring cup that has the water, your oils, and your cleaner in it, and you're just going to dump it into the plastic container. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of pour this over. And let that soak in. Now, after you do that, you will be able to remove that middle cardboard piece very easily. See? So, now you've got your wipes. You're going to put the lid down on it. And then I like to create a label to put on the front, just so I know, hey, these are my cleaning wipes. Love it. Easy, do-it-yourself, homemade cleaning wipes. So let me know if you guys give this a try. Let me know what you think. If you need a link to purchase oils for yourself, if you don't have any, I have an oils girl who is amazing, and she would be more than happy to get you hooked up and get you squared away with that. But thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to get notified every single time I post a video here. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.